I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've been talking to Scoutcrafter here for the past couple of weeks. We've set up a deal where we're going to do a collaboration. What he's going to do is he's going to pick a tool out of all these tools that you see here, and he's going to do a restoration on it. Now, which tool is it going to be? You're going to have to watch his videos to find out. Now, I'm going to send it off tomorrow, so it's going to be a little while before he gets it done. But when he does, I'm sure he'll post a video, and then you'll get to see which one of these great tools he's chosen. This is the first batch to look at. Here's some more choices. And here's a few of the C-clamps that I'm showing him, but I won't go through all of them. I would love to have him do a restoration on my South Bend lathe, but that's a bit much to ship back and forth. So we're going to have to settle for just hand tools. And like I said, stay tuned to see which one he picks. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all.